Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Miss Sana Sikandar from Multan Public School for Girls. And today I am going to teach you Islamic Studies for grade 7. Our today's topic is Taqwa. Taqwa is fear of Allah, God consciousness and righteousness, pity. Objective of today's lesson is to introduce a very special and important form of worship. The topics which we are going to study today are following: meaning of taqwa, Islamic forms of worship, stages of taqwa. First we will discuss meaning of taqwa. Taqwa is an Arabic word which means to fear, to save oneness and to avoid or abstain. A person who adopts taqwa is called muttaqi. In the present context, the emotional state of the heart in which a person, in accordance with the commands of Allah the Almighty, is drawn towards righteous deeds and hate evil is called taqwa. Taqwa adorns and enhances the virtues of character and becomes a source of goodness and delicacy. Why taqwa is important and why it is needed? The fear of Allah is important because He is watching and observing all the time. First we will discuss Islamic form of worship. Taqwa is actually a form of worship and is part of Islamic adoration and reverence of Allah. There are three types of Islamic worship. Number 1, worship by wealth. Number 2, physical worship. And number 3, worship by heart. Worship by wealth means it is the way the one by using wealth and material possession, for example zakat and charity. Through this way we can please Allah the Almighty. Physical worship, that is by certain bodily postures or activity such as salat and hajj. We can come closer to our Allah by showing these postures. This is called physical worship. Worship by heart, adoration of the Allah Almighty in a sincere and heartfelt manner with a desire to please Him. Taqwa is worship by the heart, since it leads to avoidance of evil because of a feeling of awe and dread, and positive good actions done to gain the pleasure of the Almighty Allah. Now we will discuss the stages of taqwa. Before coming towards the stages of taqwa, I want to share something. All of different form of worship are ways of gaining taqwa, whether through salah, fasting, zakah or hajj. The ultimate goal is the same: to develop the reverent emotion of taqwa. Allah the Almighty has repeatedly commanded us in the Holy Quran to lead our daily lives in accordance with taqwa. What is the lower stage of taqwa? To believe wholeheartedly that evil is evil and to avoid it because of fear of Allah's punishment is called lower stage of taqwa. Middle stage is that to abstain from all minor and major sins. Higher stage, to give up all those activities which distract the heart from remembrance of Allah the Almighty, is the higher stage of taqwa. Our way of life, our eating habits, our style of dressing, all should be based on taqwa. In other words, abstaining from all that is forbidden by the Almighty and working to earn by lawful means are part of taqwa. Dressing in accordance with the laws of Allah, not in showy manner, is very important. The dress that fulfills the conditions of simplicity and modesty, according to the dictates of Allah the Almighty. Such dress is the dress of taqwa. Referring to this, He has said in Holy Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 26, "But the remnant of righteous, that is the best. Such are among the signs of Allah, that they may receive admonition." So, we should come closer to Allah by taking fear of His. So, this is all about from my side. If you have any question or query, you can ask. Thank you so much.